I really think it's more importantly, they belong to one umbrella. Yung parang yung coaches, let's say, the coach of high school would be an assistant coach to college. Like si Ian over there.
Correct,
So,
yes, yes.
yung continuity of the program is there. Pare-pareho tinuturo almost the same play. So, it's just mastery. Diba? When you play, diba, if it's just mastery and you play a lot of court time, a lot of volleyball, di mas madali ang volleyball. Hindi siya pa iba-iba.
Okay,
Diba?
okay. Kumbaga natututo ka.
Nandun na lang eh, yes.
Kung to make an
Polishing na
analogy,
polishing. Ganun na
if you're learning how to drive, you're learning how to drive with one car.
Yup.
Hindi pa iba-iba
Oo,
ka.
hindi ka automatic and then hindi ka babalik sa manual.
Okay, I get it. All right.
So, to me, a program should be really like that. Parang one umbrella. Everybody has the same mindset.
May
Everybody's
continuity pa.
under the same head. Yung ganon. Yung continuity till college. It's the
Pati
same.
yung development of skills, no?
And,
Kumbaga,
pareho yan.
observed from
Yes.
from as you grow and progress with the school.
And pareho yan. Men's team and women's
Yeah,
team.
yeah.
Goes the same way.
Uy! Lumaglag yung bola ni Dawis. Another floater that drops in to the line. And all of a sudden, UE ahead here. Nagkwentuhan lang kami sandali ni Moshi. And all of a sudden, UE is ahead. 15-14. Look at that. Dropping all of a sudden.
Poor decision on the part of Morado.
Vallejo, rather. That's a beautiful looking approach from where we're seated, Moshi.
Aruba Natikla on the weak side this time.
Twisting a little bit just to get the angle. And then your correction of, syempre meron kang mga habits na kino-correct as you grow old, no? So nababantayan kasi ng mga coaches yan, nakikipagkwentuhan ka sa mga coaches. Dati, ganito yan, So alam na alam mo, no? Kung kayo-kayo yung mga coach talaga magkakasama.
Yung basic skills, pare-pareho yung sinusunod nyo. Diba? Approach, ganito. Defense, ganito.
Now UST snatches the lead and gets to the technical timeout. Back in the moment. Ito yung kino-contest kanina na sabi ni Dizon, check ball daw. Sabi na Maru, wala.
Wala. Medyo malayo naman talaga.
But we have the benefit of slow-mo as usual. Tayo, medyo swerte tayo.
Swerte. Yung referees natin, one call.
Oo, judgment. They made the correct judgment call in that sequence. Si Coach Boy, mainit pa yan from the last game, ha? Yung last game na against Adamson. Alam mo, balikan lang natin yun, ha? That first set against Adamson was very tight. It was at 18 all, and then there was a missed call. At least in the replay, nakita namin ni Doc Ian, it was a missed call.
After that, napako.
Oo, napako lang sila at nadala doon sa second and third
That's
set.
what I was going to say.
Oo eh.
Hindi pwedeng mag-duel
Yun,
ng
syempre.
girls on that error because, ayan eh, minsan it will be a continuous thing, yung error na yan. Because, in volleyball, again, I would say, it's forget. Diba? Easy. After the error, forget na. Because, it's a rally point system. Mabilis ang nangyayari. You cannot dwell on an error.
Well, Quintero Sale makes an appearance. Parang ako, humabol pa.
Malamang na traffic na.
It's good to see her. It's good to see her back, and we'll see UE maybe make a run here with her around.
But you have to credit UE's taking to UST, especially in the second set.
17-16 po ang ating score, ng mga UST. Isa. Dito, at least in the arena, that's what we're showing. Banatikla was again going for that cross-court. I love it when she's here almost in front of us as Ortiz puts that one away. Tapos nakikita mo yung higa minsan ni Banatikla, no, sa ere.
May mga ganyan players when they go for the angle, basang-basa mo sa body. That's why on the other side, ikaw naman, kung defender ka, kailangan,
ka rin sa block.
yes, correct. Dapat alam mo na yun, kung saan pupunta yun.
Marua, Malabo, Banatikla. Nebrida, using the net. Does it drop in? No, it drops out. Pero yun na naman yung ginagawa ni Nebrida. Trying to outsmart changes her mind here. Goes for the up speed. Sumabit ng konti. And it bounces out, giving UST a 3-point lead, 19-16.
Tayo, si Sisa pag ganon dito, si Kite pag ganon, si Sisa dito, tapos dito bola natin. Naintindihan? Ikaw naman, unahan mo sa unahan. Naintindihan? Huwag kang kumulang ng step. Uulitin ko. Play 2. Abante. Kite, tapos cross tayo. Pilitin mo pakagatin yung center blocker para lumusot si Sisa. Sige. Mga sabi na dito sa akin na.
Also, what we noticed with Coach Boy and his timeouts, his instructions are very specific.
Yes.
Yun na napapansin natin.
And parang textbook volleyball nga, parang nagtuturoan sila along the way. Yun din ang napansin ko kay Coach Boy. Well, ako sa akin, it's the right way to go when you're a
I
new
think so,
coach
yeah.
with yung bago kayo to each other.
Tsaka kita mo,
Detalyado.
tsaka kita mo, Mozi, nagre-respond talaga eh. Hindi man manalo minsan, nagre-respond sila. Oy, alalayan din ang net. Si Maria Carmela Tunay.
Going for this power dip. Nahuli na siya for the approach.
You talked about her in the pregame, right?
Yes. And another new face for UST who delivered 11 points in their last game.
On 11 spikes at that.
So yun nga, di ba? Mapapasmile ka naman kung ikaw si Coach OG pag ganito yung mga rookies when they play this way. Mga first year pa lang nila nagde-deliver kagad.
Kimberly Dizon. Good serve. Makulangan. Combination play. Tunay again getting that point. Batang-bata pa to si ano.
Yeah.
She look at her. She looks very young and
Out of high school.
parang gano'n talaga. Parang si Galang. Alasal.
Correct. Very young. And yet so effective
Future of
already, yes.
UAAP volleyball.
Yun ang gusto mo dyan is yung tapang. It's not even the skill. Yung tapang nila inside the court going up against, known very, yung mga faces when you see, let's say, Kite Rosale on the other side, Dizon.
Kite Rosale now. Serving for the very first time here in this match. For those who just tuned in, she just arrived, handled a personal problem prior to coming into the game. And Ortiz has been very efficient today.
Yan, Rhea de Macolangan and Ortiz connecting.
That wind up talaga ni Ortiz, very familiar, no? Looks perfect. But hindi lang wind up yan. Dapat merong snap pa rin yung wrist niyan. Hirutsuhi. That's something that she still needs to perfect.
Walang diin masyado.
Yun.
On that last play, still getting the points. Sabi niya kahit naman walang diin, I will still get the same point. As you see this once again.
She mistimed it actually a bit eh. Kaya medyo humina yung palo. At natawa na lang sila dahil lamang pa rin sila ng 5, 23-18.
Tignan nyo pa rin yung spike. Good job sino nakadepensa nun. Ikaw? Meron pa ulit darating na ganon. Mabagal naman, hindi naman yung kagaya ginagawa ni Rhea na dinidiinan niya. Dapat hindi nalalaglag sa atin nun. Judy! Dali ka do, kahit umabot ka rito, ha? Dumipensa ka. Gusto mo paluin natin. Paluin mo.
Siyempre parang sinasabi ni Coach OG, alam na natin gagawin nila.
Yes,
Wag
and
na,
tama siya, high balls na
Yes,
yung gagaling
correct,
sa UE.
correct.
Something that you can defend.
They're 2 points away though from taking this set.
This Saturday here at the arena.
Micah Ortiz now. 23 serving 18. Punon, siya naman ngayon ang nagsiset para sa UE.
Ito naman, yung isa pang setter ng USA this time, si Lauren Landin, coming from Poveda High School.
May mga fans niya dito. Tontua.
Well, Lauren
kaklase.
has been training for with the USC squad for quite some time
Okay.
already. So finally, getting
What's her
into the
break?
lineup.
At kailangan na rin.
Even
Dahil, di ba,
last
huling
year, I
taon
think
na
she's
to
in the lineup already.
ni
Yung Rhea, di ba,
Rhea, eh.
kulangan? Yan ang, I think that's the focus now of USC. Is train a new setter.
Tagal-tagal na rin sa kanila yun. Yung di makulangan. Both men's and women's, no?
Kasi nawala si Jane Gonzalez,
Yes.
who used to be the alternate setter.
Tunay now gives them the second set. True to form. USD winning it by 6 points. 25-19. Kanina first set. 25-18. They are a set away from wrapping this baby up. Balik po tayo dito, Studio 23.